Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use emoji keyword into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. Write a topic like I'm going to open Notepad. You can change or you can do it into any of your Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, any of platform you're using. If you're typing and if you need the emoji keyword, then it's simple. Like I'm going to type, I am writing, and now I need a emoji over here. So for that, what you need to do, just simply press your Windows key and the dot button, the full stop key. You can see there will be at the middle side. If I showing you, like I'm going to close it. If I just open the on-screen keyboard over here, you can see here is my on-screen keyboard. And from here you can simply check, just press the Windows key, you can see, and press this button over here. This button, I'm saying about this button over here. If you just simply press this and then click this, it will automatically open your Windows emoji keyboard into your Windows 11. So I will going to open it another time, and if you just want to give a emoji over here, just simply select the emoji and you can simply make any of emoji. You can simply use the emoji keyboard over here. You can see there are lots of options, symbols, kaomoji, and there is GIF, and you can simply click on it and choose any of them you like. So this is how you can use the emoji keyboard in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.